Are you ready to elevate your turkey burger game? Have you ever made a gourmet turkey burger at home in about 20 minutes? Join me to discover the secrets to a gourmet turkey burger that's juicy, flavorful, and healthy, and out of this world. This is not your average dry and boring turkey burger. And stay tuned until the end for a bonus recipe, a healthy, delicious sauce that will take your burger to the next level. Let's dive right into it. Okay, everyone, let's get started here. So we're starting with our base ingredient, which is ground turkey. This is the most common one you can find. 93% fat-free, 90% fat-free, lean and mean. And then, so if you go like this, you can notice that it's, usually the ground turkey is kind of wet already. But once it cooked this, it gets tough. So we're gonna add the ingredients and then we're gonna check again. And then if it's too wet, then I have a solution for that. So we're going to start with quarter cup of zucchini, finely chopped, quarter cup of corn. Now this is frozen one I use. I usually use frozen one because they have no sodium, no additives. They're great to use. You can use canned ones, but be sure to read the back of the labels and make sure that there are some very low sodiums you can find, but this is I find to be only like 1% sodium, I think, or 0% sodium in this. So that's the one I like to go with. And then I have 2 or 3 cloves of garlic chopped, and then quarter cup of red onion finely diced, quarter cup of carrots finely chopped or diced, quarter cup of red pepper finely chopped. It's almost like a garden burger, a turkey burger. And then I have half a cup of yogurt. Now, a lot of people like to put butter in there or mayonnaise. No, we're not gonna do that. Don't be that guy. So just half a cup of fat-free, low-fat Greek yogurt, and then about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, maybe about that much. And then I have like a half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper mixed. Whoops. So I got 1 teaspoon of paprika, and I have half a teaspoon of dried oregano. There we go. So let's mix this together and see what happens. Okay, we don't want to mix him, we don't want to go too crazy because then the meat have a tendency to get tough when you mix them too well. Okay, I think we're good here. So let's see here. So this is very, very good, pretty good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and portion these in 4-ounce patties, and then we're gonna pan fry them. I'm gonna get the saute station going, and I will see you there. If you ever find the patty be sticking to your hand when you're making patty, just use a little bit of water. Just touch some water, like a little bowl of water, and then start making the patties. So that way it prevents for the meat to stick to your hand. Very easy solution. Okay, folks, so I made the patties. I had just under 2 pounds of ground turkey. So I made about 8 patties. One was a little less than 4 ounces on each. So I got 3 going here right now. So we want to cook these like 5 to 7 minutes on each side. 5 to 7 minutes on each side on a medium heat. You don't want it hotter than that. And every once in a while, you want to just press them like that gently. They're doing great. And once they're done, you're gonna put them in a plate. You can cook this in oven, on the grill. You can have a Thanksgiving barbecue with this. Um, yeah, this one's got a little bit gold. All right, once this is done, I'm gonna plate it, and then we're gonna get started on the sauce, and then go from there. All right, now we're ready for the sauce. Very easy, very straightforward, just a few minutes. Now I have 1 avocado in the blender. So we're going to add like 2 cloves of garlic, just roughly chopped. And then I'm going to add a juice of 1 lime. And then half a cup of Greek yogurt. There we go. And then just a dash of salt and pepper to taste. And there we go. All right, let's check it out. Now this sauce doesn't meant to be, it's not meant to be like smooth, so you want a little chunky. That's the best way to serve it. Okay, it looks great. So I'm going to dish it up, and I'm going to assemble a turkey sandwich, and then you can see how it looks. All right, let's get going. And there you go, folks. It's ready to go. I have some spinach on it. I didn't have any lettuce, tomato, and the sauce. Beautiful burger, ready to be enjoyed. And you know, you can also use some cilantro, chopped cilantro on that if you desire. If not, it's great just the way it is. And you can enjoy a side of avocado fries or zucchini fries with this. Now, I did a video on that. I'm gonna include a link down below so you can check it out. It's very easy to make. So there you have it. You know, just a quick demonstration of this burger. Now, a regular turkey burger, they're so tough and dry that sometimes you need a steak knife to cut it. Now this one, I mean, look, I'm just cutting it with a knife, with a fork, done. It just falls apart and still holds itself. Great. It is yummy. Thank you so much for joining me on this recipe. Hope you enjoyed the easy, healthy, gourmet turkey burgers. If you did, as always, consider liking and subscribing to my channel for more weekly tasty and healthy recipes. Also, leave me comments and share your thoughts and ideas. I would love to hear from you. And also remember to share this recipe with family, friends, and those who you know they will enjoy this recipe. Stay tuned for my next video as I showcase a seafood dinner that's better than a 5-star seafood restaurant. And it won't cost you $49.95 plus tax and gratuity. And it's much healthier. No mysterious ingredients in this dish. Until then, stay healthy and stay on track to your goals.